Alright, so we're gonna kick this channel off again, respark it with the new 5 essential spring tips that boys, girls, men, women, kids, anybody needs to know. These are very important and can make or break your outfit this spring and summer. Let's get right into it. What's good, YouTube? It's Mari Customs. It's Mari, and I know it's been a long time. So, number one, we're gonna get right into it. You gotta get right with the tees. T-shirts on outfits, like the shirt on the outfit is usually the most notable thing on the outfit. It's the first thing that people look at, and then pants is next and shoes is third. So you gotta make sure the tees is right. You have to make sure your colors are right. It's not winter anymore. It's not winter and it's not fall. Substitute those olives, those navies, those burgundies for brighter colors such as pink, salmon, cream, gold, white, mint. All those colors are nice summer colors that give a good summer vibe. Like, look, summery. My personal recommendation for summer and spring is essentials. Always go with plain over crazy. So make sure you cop the plain white tee, essential, of course. The gold tee, my fault. In my opinion, my personal recommendation to get trendy pieces of clothing from essential brands would be H&M, Rue 21, Paxton, and Champion. Champion has been widely popular. They have basic tees, the basic jersey logo shirts, reverse weave hoodies, basically everything that you could possibly need for spring and summer. Champion has basically everything. And Champion's been on the rise over this past year. So is Fila, Pink Dolphin, and Smokey. These shirts are cheap and they're affordable and they last a long time. They can get you well on 2 or 3 springs and summers, to be honest. Like my Gold Champion shirt has gotten me through last summer and this summer. So you should be good as long as you just invest in the right shirt, in the right branding. Alright, so on to the next one, we have denim. And spring and summer is denim seasons. It's the half of the year where denim is widely popular. Denim jackets, denim jeans, everything, bro. So, first thing with denim, please match denim. Don't wear black denim with white denim. Don't wear blue denim with any other color denim except black. Please don't do it. That is so unfashionable, and that's the biggest mistake you can make with denim in spring and summer. The most popular styles of denim this summer are probably going to be stone wash, light wash, acid wash, basically all the light washes of denim pretty much. And also you can even get creative and customize your own denim. You can give it distressing, you can give it knee blowouts, and really you can just add your own little style, sense, flavor onto your denim to make it custom to you so you can stand out this spring and summer. My personal recommendation for denim would be Paxton denim, Young and Reckless, and Guess. You can never really go wrong with these and they give the nice trendy look that everybody is looking for. My personal favorite denim is knee blowouts with ankle zips because it gives you the tight, like tapered look of the denim that you would want and also gives you some distressing to make you stand out and make the denim look really nice. Now these jeans they're not expensive, but they're not, like the average person would view this as expensive, but in order for you to have great denim, you get what you pay for. So if you buy cheap denim, it's not gonna last a long time. But if you buy expensive denim, it's gonna last those years and stuff and get its own wear so you can have it for more than just one summer and spring and season. Some popular places to get these denims would be the mall. Everybody goes to the mall, and you can always find a good pair of denim anywhere you go. Just make sure you know how to tell the right denim. Make sure it's original, no stretch denim, no corny denim looks like biker jeans. They're corny now, okay? Acid wash jeans, they're corny now, okay? And please don't wear any like mint colored Levi's that they have, no burgundy Levi's. Don't take the L, man. Don't take the L, please. And now we're on to the next one. Alright, the third tip is shorts. Make sure you wear shorts. It's spring and summer, you have to wear shorts. I live in Georgia. I have to wear shorts. It's too hot. It's too hot. You have to. Now, I'm going to show y'all the essential tips for shorts because a lot of people mess them up. The most important rule with shorts is know your length. Please don't be one of those guys that just wear shorts like all the way down here, all the way past your knees, and then wear high socks and stuff. You gotta know how to style yourself, because that's not fashionable. That is not fashionable at all. So when you get shorts, make sure you try them on. It depends on your preference, okay? Some people would like their shorts above the knee, and some people would like it on the knee. But please, it's not fashionable to wear shorts under the knee. And also when you wear shorts, make sure if you're wearing high tops with shorts, then socks are okay. But if you're not, don't wear low tops with socks. Invest in some ankle socks. They're not that expensive. Nike ankle socks, any type of ankle socks. The brand doesn't matter because people are not going to see them. They're called no-shows. And when you invest in these no-shows, make sure you wear them when you wear shorts, okay? When you wear low tops like Ultra Boost and stuff, make sure you throw in the no-shows. It looks more fashionable, it looks more appealing, more clean when you wear no-shows with low tops. My personal recommendation for shorts would be, for one, to go to Nike. Nike's fleece shorts, I'm not even gonna lie, they're unbeatable in my opinion. The material is great, they last a long time, they're sportswear, they give you the iconic branding that everybody would want, and it comes in like basically every color that you can want. Now second would be H&M. H&M shorts are really nice. They give you the nice, fashionable look that everybody is looking for. They sit right directly on your knee. They come in the most trendiest colors: white, gray, dark gray, olive, mint. Every color that you could basically think of, they got. And it's easy because there's drawstrings, they're adjustable, and they have back pockets, and the pockets aren't so short. So your phone and stuff is not always falling out your pockets and stuff. So it's ergonomics. But if you're not feeling Nike or H&M or Adidas or anything I just mentioned, you can always make your own fleece shorts. You just take jogging pants and cut them, wash them, and they roll up a little bit, and then you have your own pre-distressed fleece shorts. Alright, so most importantly, things that can make or break your outfit are definitely your shoes. Now, low tops will run the summer, I promise you. It's predicted, it happens every year. Low tops will always run the summer. Your Air Maxes, your Vans, your Ultra Boosts, they will always take over because of the colorway, the comfortability, and they're not bulkiness. They're always light. All white is a must-have. Now, they don't gotta be Air Forces, because you know what I'm saying, everybody can't do Air Forces. I can't do Air Forces. But an all-white summer low-top shoe is absolutely essential to every, like, I got some all-white, you need some all-white. Great colors think it would be nice light colors such as neon. If you want to get neon, you can do it. But gold, white, mint, peach, salmon, checkered, cream, all those colors, any color that you could possibly think of that are not dark and not neutral, you can wear. And it'll make your outfit look really good. They'll provide accents, and they're gonna break some necks, man. Now, my personal selections from each brand would be Ultra Boost for one. Ultra Boosts are, in my opinion, like the most comfortable shoes I have right now. They keep your foot comfortable, they're breathable, and they come in all white. And their all white color is very clean. Now next there's the Air Max 97s and 98s and the Vapor Maxes. Now all those Air Maxes, they're all good options because you know they're all comfortable, they're all made for you to be comfortable. They all come in all white, and they're both trendy. Like Air Max 97s and 98s are probably got to be the trendiest shoes right now. With all the colorways dropping, it's very easy to pick you up a pair. 160 to 200 if you want the Vapor Maxes, and very trendy and breathable. And then you always gotta have yourself a pair of Vans. Vans are absolutely essential. They're cheap, they're affordable, and they come in basically every color. Checkered Vans are nice, white Vans are nice, the retro Van collection is nice, and basically everything is nice, bro. Everything with Vans is nice. So I'm gonna add on a bonus, accessories. Now accessories can turn your basic outfit into a lit fit, automatically. All it takes is some well-placed accessories that are not tacky, such as bracelets can be gold, silver, woven. Watches are they're always gonna be a classic, but if you wanna trend it up, you know what I'm saying, get yourself a bracelet, get yourself some rubber band bands. I don't know what they're called, but if you want to step it up and add a little hype beast to your fit, in my opinion, I do this all the time because I have twists now, is get yourself a headband. Champion, Supreme, Bape, all of those bands, a headband is not that expensive, so you're not splurging on a headband. And it's something that will add branding to your outfit if that's what you want and break some necks. Like I have a Supreme headband, you get a Champion headband, they're only $15, and it adds some real style to your outfit and people can see the brand, you know what I'm saying? Also, make sure you stay away from the trends, the played out trends, such as biker denim, fanny packs. With fanny packs, unless you have money, don't put anything else in your fanny pack. Unless it's a Gucci, Supreme, Bape, or anything fanny pack, please don't wear it. And for men, a fanny pack is not a purse. Don't wear a purse. Stop wearing purses as fanny packs. Stop. Alright, this has been my spring and summer essential tips list, man. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, and make sure you comment what video you want to see from me next. And if you mess with me, make sure you follow me on social media. Make sure you follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter to make sure you know when my video drops. Turn the notifications on, everything. Share the video, everything. I promise more consistent videos in the future. All this summer and spring, I'm gonna be working. So that's pretty much it, and tell me what would you guys like to see next, and if I'm missing anything at all, any tips, make sure you put that in the comment section below so I can put it in here. Alright, that's been the video. Thank you guys. I'm out.